Hi everyone, today I'll walk you through my solution to question 2 of the 2024 AP Computer Science exam, which is the problem involving designing a scoreboard class. This class keeps track of scores for a game played between two teams who alternate turns. The problem states that we must implement a constructor in two methods. The constructor takes two parameters. The first is a string containing the name of team 1, and the second is a string containing the name of team 2. The game should always begin with team 1 as the active team. The first method, record play, takes a non-negative integer that is equal to the number of points scored by player 1 or player 2. If it is 0, that player's turn immediately ends and the other player's turn begins. If the score is not 0, that team's score is updated and their turn continues. Record play does not return anything. The second method, get score, takes no parameters and returns a string that contains information about the current state of the game. It should be formatted with team 1 score followed by a hyphen, followed by team 2 score, followed by another hyphen, followed by the active team's name. Finally, we're given some examples that we can use to test our code's functionality and verify everything is working. So let's jump right into the problem. First, let's take a look at our constructor. It takes two parameters, the names of team 1 and team 2. Here, we use the constructor to initialize the scores of both teams to 0, as well as setting a Boolean, which we will use to determine which team is active. We immediately start with team 1 as the active team. Next, we have the record play method. It takes an integer parameter representing the points scored in a play. If the points are greater than 0, the active team score is updated. With our active team Boolean, we can use that to determine which team's points we should update. If the points are 0, the active team switches. We switch by toggling the Boolean. The get score method constructs and returns a string with the current scores in the name of the active team. We use our Boolean to check which team is currently active so that we can grab the correct name. Once we have the correct team name, it's just a matter of constructing the proper string according to the instructions. Here we use string concatenation by first including team 1's points, then a hyphen, followed by team 2's points, followed by another hyphen, and our current team which we determined above. And that's all to the scoreboard class. It effectively tracks scores and manages turns between two teams. Thanks for watching and happy coding.